Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara Monique. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure it turns gray. If it doesn't turn gray, you're not subscribed. Today what I'm going to be doing is a unboxing video of Fashion Nova. Now you guys probably been wondering where I've been, but that'll be in another video. Today this is just an unboxing for Fashion Nova. I have this big box here of Fashion Nova, so I'm going to be opening it. I know what's inside. Hopefully it's what I ordered. So y'all, the Fashion Nova is always like go-to. By the way, Fashion Nova now has Fashion Nova Kids. So I can't wait. You guys might see some video with Fashion Nova Kids one day. Anyways, so what I ordered is this like bra thing for the black side. Okay, with these bras, it's like really good to use like when you're wearing like a certain type of dress and you don't want the strap showing or right in this area showing. So I got this. Shoes, you guys. These shoes, when I seen them online, I fell in love with them. So I just hope that they're I hope they look like how they did online, because online just caught my attention. But you know, sometimes in person it doesn't do you any good. So I got these. The heel is suede. These are cute, guys. Well, hopefully I want to find something really cute to wear with this. But I feel like with this you could kind of like throw it on with anything and match it up with just about anything when you're wearing it. So far so good. I love them. Pull this out the way. Another pair of shoes. These are cute too. These are all suede as well, with like a clear heel. These I feel like you could wear like with a nice dress. You could wear them with you could wear these with a pair of jeans too. A pair of black jeans. So these are nice too. Okay. I got that. Yeah. And then another pair of shoes, guys. I don't think, oh yes I did. I was gonna say I don't think I ever did like a Fashion Nova like shoe haul with you guys, but I did, because I ordered sandals from Fashion Nova. So I did show you guys that in my previous videos. Where are these? Oh. Okay, guys, so these, if you know me, you know I love like these knee-high or thigh-high boots. So I got these are suede as well. And I want to say they probably will go up to my thigh, or at least above my knee. So I can't wait to wear these too. I brought all these in like I think a 9, just because I have like wide feet, and I don't want it to be kind of like, I want at least that extra room. If anything, I don't want to feel like, you know, my feet are screaming. So this is all for the shoes. So now the clothes. This one is called Bougie and Blessed Top. I got this in a size small. So the sleeves are cute. So you guys can see. Okay, y'all. So when I seen this, I felt this, for one, it's called Move It Football Head Top. So if you know that saying, move it football head, then if you know, you know. So I got this in a medium because I wanted to fit big because it's a t-shirt. So this is a Move It Football Head top. So I could wear this with jeans, whatever. I feel like this one is gonna be my favorite one that I'm about to show you guys. This one is called Rolling Deep Reptar Color Black. This one is called Rolling Deep Reptar Color Block Jacket. Probably could have got a small though. I got a medium and it looks kind of big, but I don't know, maybe putting it on it might fit a little different, probably. Okay. Okay, so that fits good. So I felt, when I first seen this jacket on Fashionable, I fell in love. I fell completely in love with the jacket. I was like, I gotta get it. So finally got it, and I'm like, I cannot wait to wear it. I'm like that with all Fashionable, but I can't wait. Can't wait to wear like all my Fashionable. This one is Beautiful Babe Top. I got this one in a size small as well. And I want to say, I think it's a crop top, guys. If I have room, I'm going to try to insert a picture over here of models from the actual website wearing this. Being that I'm not doing a try on haul this time in my video, I'm just doing an unboxing video. That way you can see how it looks. So yeah, this one is definitely like a crop top. Beautifully and wonderfully made is what it says. So I could wear this with one of like my black boots. Probably the first pair that I showed you, with a pair of black high-waisted jeans with this top. This one I got in a small. It's called Just Between Us Sweater Dress. If you guys know me, you know I love like sweater dresses in the fall and winter. It's kind of like the look of it, kind of, not the style, but just kind of like the look of it kind of reminds me of the previous magenta dress that I had in my previous video. Let me see which way is the front. Okay, that's the back. So this is the front. This is the front of the dress. right here, and it does have like ties. It does tie on the side. You guys, I know probably this way you can't get the full gist of how the outfits look, but like I said, I might try to insert the pictures over here for you guys so you guys can see the Fashion Nova models model on these looks. This, y'all, oh, this is in the small. It's called Spree Dress. When I first seen this dress, my birthday was November 3rd. I was gonna wear it on my birthday, but I had no plans. So it does come with like shoulder pads in the inside of the dress. And then the first bra that I showed you will be good for the way this cut is made. And then you guys can't really see, but it does have a split in the dress. It has a split in the dress, so both of your thighs will be out in the dress. Okay, and this is the last one I have, and this one is called Fight for Your Right Denim Jumpsuit. And sorry you guys, you have to ignore the noise coming from outside. There's construction workers working on whatever outside, so sorry about the noise. This I got in a size small because I don't know, I just felt like I needed a small in this one. I seen it. Hopefully it does fit. I always have problems too. I hope it's long because I always have that issue where my jeans and stuff do not fit like long like I need it to. It's always like that ankle length because I'm tall, so that's annoying. And I know you tall people could relate to me as well. Guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video as well. Make sure the subscribe button turns gray. If it's not gray, you guys, you're not subscribed. Turn that bell on so you'll get post notifications every time I upload a new video. Guys, drop some comments, let me know what you want to see. So anyway, so this is the jumpsuit. This jumpsuit, just looking at it like this, it looks like cute on the model, but like looking at the jumpsuit now, I'm getting like painter vibes. Like this is the outfit you would wear like if you're painting or something like that. But like I said, hopefully when I put it on, it gives a whole different vibe and look to it. So guys, that is all I have to show you guys today with Fashion Nova. Thanks for watching my video. For all my supporters that's still there, thanks for continuing to support me, even though it's been about a couple months since I uploaded a video. Like I said, that'll have to be talked about in a different video on where I've been, and everything else. Just wanted to now show my face, show what I have ordered from Fashion Nova, guys. So yeah, so again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. Make sure you go ahead and turn that subscribe button gray, guys. Turn it gray. A lot of you guys is probably watching my video thinking that you're subscribed. If the button is not gray, you guys, you're not subscribed. Make sure you keep that in mind. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. Do you want to see prank videos? Do you want to see more sit down videos? Let me know. Drop a comment, guys. Again, thanks for supporting me. Bye. See you in the next video.